Right here in the parking lot of this grocery store and tire shop, something very interesting. Ran directly between the strip mall, bank, and gas station is a family final resting place. Well before all this other consumerism came into play. Henry was the father, and Mariah was the mother, and it's designated by these little placards at the very bottom. Local realtor was driving by, stopped and asked, "What the heck are you doing?" I told him about the graveyard. He didn't really know much information about that. I just lived here quite a while. Way big dancing man. Dancing even though an old school cemetery. Then buy food stores. Stop then buy food in the store. Always pay, but why? It's an image of the Virgin Mary inside this tree. And for many years, people have left flowers around the base of the tree. Some people even make the pilgrimage from out of state to see the image. No one knows exactly how it got there, but she can be seen right here behind this little cartoon paper image of Mary. They have blocked the actual level there time to time. The last one I saw was in Salt Lake City. They had stairs leading to the top of it. That one is at a much lower level. There are many different opinions on how it got there. Some say it was hit by a car. Others say it was the work of a higher deity. And just about a block down the road is this church building that's in a super old school theater. I love this. It's like Route 66, old school Hollywood style. You can even see the former neon all up the top of it. That is awesome. So these two guys, they wanted you to come join the family. You're like friendly fellas. His hand, though, looks like just a little discombobulated. It's either double jointed,
Plant, huh?
solid and broken, twisted to the sides. He doesn't look too happy about it either. Handed me money for my tax return. Statue of Liberty. I think to myself, I went to New York City to the real Statue of Liberty. She handed me money for my tax return. That would be pretty cool. I am really excited about this next location. I am a huge Jack Nicholson fan, of course, from Tim Burton's Batman, Five Easy Pieces, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, Easy Rider, so many different movies. The Shining, one of my all-time favorites. He won the Academy Award in 1983 for Best Supporting Actor from a movie called Terms of Endearment. And one of the best scenes of that movie is filmed right there. I think if you are a man, something like, and then walk towards that tree, well, you do bring out the devil. All these houses look exactly the same. The car would have been right here. All this little brick area looks the same. He is standing right by that tree. I don't want to walk in their driveway. It is private property. But Jack Nicholson was standing right there. Man, so freaking cool. A lot of dogs guarding that property. And a lot of signs saying they look all police or they could make it with one. So, patrol his old stomping grounds. I know that's not the real reason. It's just a very fancy area. I know the screenshot didn't match up, but I really didn't want to go up in. We were supposed to hit that car. It was just an accident. They just rolled it. Also just noticed today, block number 1,666 That's
Oh my God.
Now, my calculation, the last time I saw you was way more than you ever would took with your foot on the pedal. So the mirrors see all the empty space. The nice thing about these are you're going to increase stock really rates.
It's fun to look at side by side. So here's your regular one, right? 2 layers. Over here you've got this 5-layer design, and you've got stainless steel in there. You've got Kevlar. I mean, this thing is strong. So it's been a whole deal. Just better.
Yeah, you got 9 different colors and comes in all different sizes. You can custom order and custom length cut to your
This thing weighs nothing.
Yeah, it's all aluminum, man. I mean, I would put it in by myself, but I didn't want to ding up things on it on a brand new radiator.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Keep this thing running.
Get it.
Cooler as well.
Get it.
Much more
Get it.
designed than the one 30 years ago. The fact that we're going to have new
Don't let that bell win.
This truck is going to run nice and cool.
You know, but it is an older truck, and we know that potentially down the road something else could break, right? So what if the guy says to himself, where was it that those guys got all those parts from? What was the name of the company?
That one place that got everything to fix this truck.
If I could just remember where those guys got,
But we can give him a little mental note somewhere.
maybe something to remind them.
A little rock on without reminder, a gift from us to them.
Mechanically, we got everything done up there on the front of the truck, and Yvette came in here. She loved the way that it looked. Now, it looks a lot better, right? Now, we also talked to her about one thing she was really happy about is the fact that it's running so much better because about a month ago we poured in the stick shift.
Did you win it?
That's like she said, now we've got some more products.
Go get it.
Yeah, we got the round side, the side, the flip side. We do that in these extremes. You know, it's similar in the way it works. It goes in there. It is a thorough scrub of the entire fuel system. So if you look and you want to have your picture, this thing is full of fuel because these things are extremely concentrated. You got to make sure you don't take any more of this in. And what you'll hear is those injectors paying off the fuel lines, the fuel tank, all that stuff. So this thing will run good for a long time.
Now we talk about stiction and friction being problems because it's all about the wear and tear of the internal components of the engine. Right now, this is the friction reducer. It's kind of like the new branch of the family tree from Hot Shot Secret, and you can add this into the oil or the transmission. So for this particular truck, we're going to add that into the transmission. When you think about it like this, think about the molecules of fluid that are on this big, right? You're up for a vision. Now the molecules of this are on the side of the car, so we can see if we can get to places cooler than the ordinary molecules of fluid can. So that's going to help that be a lot more liquid than the water.
And on the other thing, I don't think she even knows about this other turtle part. I got on this thing. She's going to be so good. This thing came in, it was really ragged. You know, it looked bad, it ran bad. And now, man, I mean, it really has come to life. We've got a new wrap on it, all the branding, all the logos look good. And more importantly, it runs good. Now we just got to get to it.
Yeah, we've got to get the tires on, get this thing ready to go so that they can make that rally on time.
Yeah, feels good.
That's not going to make some money.
It's here at the rally. It is the world's largest food truck rally ever. 32,000 people last year. Hopefully more than that this year. That's what it is. It's the biggest now. One of the diesel trucks I know was King's Bistro. Their entire house, everything they had, all their possessions, period, had burned to the ground a couple years earlier. They're really great people. They always love to have a lot and then lose it. And they're working at all of those things. People like to work. They really work sometimes. Instead of always getting stuck on life, some people really want it. And I came in and I told those guys that they're just getting that flashback of memory of not knowing if you're going to make it and not going to make it, and the truck's going to break down. Is it going to turn on when you leave your van? You just don't know. And if I don't have it, but you don't have that pressure no more. The truck turns on without waiting for the glow plug to come on, right? The tires aren't hand-me-down used tires. I have that new tires on my truck. The engine works perfect. I mean, they're not having to get jumps. They're not having transmissions break. They're not dumping fluid everywhere. Sign of this guy. It's a cool truck, man. I love the new logo. It's bright. It stands out well. Now they can get to work every day and put money in their pockets and take care of their families. I mean, I'm stoked for it. It's awesome. Today on Carpet, all about American muscle car. First, all American muscle bike. Yeah, it's the thing that we like to we hear how we like to do that. So we do it. Now we're on the track. Would you like to see how we got here? Exactly.
Maybe what the results were. You know what? Surprise you. What?
It's game on. Do this.
Let's do it. You can really do it.
Hey, welcome to Carfix, and today in the shop we got a 2016 Mustang. It's the California Special.
Special. Nice.
It's a 5.0, so it's got a V8,
Yes, it does.
but it's got a C.
That's how we do.
Right there.
So, you want to always take up your heart on things. Let's just do a nice sprinkling of parts on this, and then take it to the track. Like if you were a magazine. Yeah, let's go test stuff.
Yeah, we can do that.
We'll test it. All right.
We're cool with that.
But you know what? In this marvelous day and age we live in, not all muscle cars are created equal. Not all of them have four wheels.
What, heavy?
Maybe. Who knows? Let's just say